greetings of peace and love. Come and join us in celebrating our upcoming 48th anniversary. Saturday 6 p.m. to 12 midnight and Sunday 8 a.m. to 12 noon. May 11th to 12th, 2019. We are located at Pico Mabalacat City, Pampanga. You can use Google Map and search Sibol Tagum Pinang Bia. You can visit us on our Facebook account www.facebook.com/SDNB1971 and watch our live streaming every Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and our YouTube account www.youtube.com/c/Sibol Tagum Pinang Bia 1971/live.